KAMRUI is a well-known brand in the world of mini PCs, offering powerful yet compact computers designed for various needs, from gaming and office work to home entertainment. In this article, we'll explore the best 5 KAMRUI Mini PCs, highlighting their key features, performance, and ideal use cases. Let's dive in. Number 5, KAMRUI Mini PC 16GB DDR RAM, 1TB M.2 SSD desktop computers, Alder Lake N95, up to 3.4 GHz, microcomputer support 4K UHD/HDMI 2.0/LAN/ dual band Wi-Fi for home server. About this item. Dialmore Store MRAK1PL US Mini computers come with 16GB DDR RAM to smoothly run casual games as well as multiple programs. 1TB M.2 2280 NVMe PCIe 3.0 SSD storage is ideal for applications, providing enhanced storage capabilities, streamlined data management and quick boot-up times. A detachable base for upgrading the hard drive, 2.5-inch SATA SSD, to increase storage capacity, up to 2 TB. Improve the way you create content with the KAMRUI AK1 Plus Small Form Factor PC, a PC you can count on tackle anything that comes your way, thanks to lightning-fast 12th generation Alder Lake N95, 6M cache, up to 3.4 GHz, that lets you work on multitasking at once. Compared to N50-105 and N50-95 processors, N95 Mini PC improved by 30% performance to the last generation. Start working in an instant. Then seamlessly use all the apps you need to power through your workdays. DYTOD solutions measuring just 5.04-inch x 5.04-inch x 2.05-inch, AK1 Plus Mini fits perfectly into the palm of the hand and weighs in at 0.38 kilograms, making it portable, light, and easy to install. At the same time, the modern blue light design keeps PC while running that looks great in the home office. With a Visa bracket, this is a space-saving solution that is mounted on the back. Number 4, KAMRUI Mini PC computers, AK1 Pro 12GB RAM 256GB SSD Mini Desktop Computer Intel Celeron N100 Mini PC, for Core Micro PC, Desktop PC 4K, support 2.5-foot SSD, 2.4G/5.0G Wi-Fi, Gigabit Ethernet, HTPC. About this item, small but powerful, KAMRUI AK1 Pro and 100 Mini PC desktop about 5.04x 5.04x 2.05 inch. Powered by 12th Intel Alder Lake N100, max up to 3.4 GHz, 4C/4T, 6 MB L3 cache, delivers incredible responsiveness and smooth than Intel Celeron J4125, N5095 and Celeron N5100 processor. Easily switch back and forth between more applications with 12GB DDR5 memory and 256GB M.2 2280 solid-state drive storage. Very fast and no lagging or jumping, intelligent design. What makes the small computer desktop stand out from other mini PCs is that it has an empty expansion bay to allow adding a 2.5-inch SSD or HDD, up to 2 TB. Comes with 2 HDMI ports connecting dual monitors easily, simplify and double your work efficiency. Also, the Visa mount can free yourself from the messy desktop. It is convenient to hide the mini desktop PC on the back of the monitor or HDTV, ready when you are with the modern light feature, blue light while running, red light while standby. Just plug-in device is running and ready for you to use simply by opening it up. Equipped with Intel UHD graphics 800 MHz support 4K UHD at 60 Hz. Easy to enjoy web surfing and 4K video playback, or connect to your projector as a home theater, enjoy a variety of entertainment. Work and play your way virtually anywhere. Number 3, KAMRUI Mini PC with AMD Ryzen 7 Pro 5875U, 16GB DDR4 512GB M.2 SSD mini computer, mini gaming PC with USB Type-C, desktop computer supports triple 4K display, Wi-Fi 6, BT 5.2. About this item: powerful mini computer. KAMRUI E3B Mini PC with AMD Ryzen 7 Pro 5875U, 8 cores, 16 threads, Zen 3 architecture, 15W TDP, up to 28W, base clock frequency of 2 GHz, up to 4.5 GHz. Its single-thread performance is 25% higher than the R750-700U, which enhances the smoothness of everyday tasks that rely on single-thread performance, such as web browsing, document editing, and email management. Full-function Type-C port. This mini gaming PC includes a full-function Type-C port that supports charging, data transfer, 10 gigabits per second, and 4K/60 Hz display output, providing ultimate convenience and efficiency, expandable memory, and storage. The KAMRUI E3B mini computer is equipped with dual RAM slots, comes with 16GB DDR4 RAM, and is expandable up to 64GB, 2x32GB DDR4 3200 MHz. Triple 4K display. This desktop computer features an AMD Radeon RX Vega 8 GPU with 8 cores, a 2000 MHz frequency, providing sufficient graphics processing power while maintaining power efficiency. With DP 1.4b, HDMI 2.0, and Type-C, it supports 3 4K displays, enabling convenient multitasking, comprehensive connectivity. This mini PC comes with 1x Ethernet, 2x USB 3.2 Gen 2, 10 gigabits per second, 4x USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, 5 gigabits per second, 1x USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, supporting DP 1.4, 10 gigabits per second data transfer, PD output. Number 2, KAMRUI AK1 Plus Mini PC, 12th Gen N95 processor, up to 3.4 GHz, mini desktop computers 8GB DDR4 256GB SSD support 2.5-inch SSD, dual 4K display, Wi-Fi/BT for business, office, home server. About this item: powered by Alder Lake N95, KAMRUI AK1 Plus Mini PC features 12th generation N95 processor, 4C/4T, 6MB cache, base frequency 1.7 GHz, up to 3.4 GHz. The performance of N95, 10 nanometers, is even 30% better than that of N5095. Whether you need a robust home server, a versatile tool for school education, seamless web browsing, or even efficient business office tasks, the KAMRUI Mini PC with exceptional capabilities is up for the challenge easily. Ideal for multitasking, the mini computer has equipped with 8GB DDR4 and 256GB M.2 2280 SSD. Sufficient capacity allows you to get rid of the trouble in multitasking. Capacity upgrade options: 1. Replace the M.2 SSD up to 2 TB. 2. Add a 2.5-inch SSD/HDD up to 2 TB, above not include. Smooth processing speed and powerful features double your work efficiency. Immersive 4K Ultra HD. The small desktop computer comes with UHD graphics, up to 1200 MHz. Shared graphics works well for photo editing, creative work and video playback. With maximum resolution 4096x2160 at 60 Hz, how wonderful that! Turn it into your home theater center or connect to a projector while camping. Dual HDMI allows you to connect 2 screens simultaneously to increase your productivity. Ultra high definition video output makes your life and work full of joy. Number 1, KAMRUI GK3 Plus Mini PC, 16GB RAM, 512GB M.2 SSD mini computers, 12th Gen Alder Lake N95, up to 3.4 GHz, micro PC, 2.5-foot SSD, Gigabit Ethernet 4K UHD, Wi-Fi BT Visa/Home Business Small PC. About this item: new generation CPU N95, newest 12th Intel Alder Lake N95, 1.7 GHz, Max 2 3.4 GHz, 4X cores, 6 MB L3 cache, processor, 2023 new releases. Compared with Intel N100/N5105/N5100/N5095, GK3 Plus Mini PC N95 CPU performance 35%, GPU 78%, more powerful performance and smoother running. Intel UHD graphics 1.20 GHz handles like browsing internet, reading email, editing documents, home office, and more with ease, even for professional uses like photos editing. 16GB RAM, 512GB SSD, up to 2TB KAMRUI Mini PC with high-speed 16GB DDR4. Built-in 512GB M.2 2280 SSD. 16GB of RAM memory makes your entire system speedy and responsive. That way it can support tasks like memory hogging, multi-tab browsing, and opening a huge graphic file quickly and easily. If you want more storage space, you can also add a 2.5-inch SSD, no included, to expand the memory. Upgrade storage to 2 TB to expand the memory. Wonderful safety data bank. Small but powerful PC. Mini PC Silver Series has a great texture. The mini computer measures only 5.1 in 5.1 and 1.96 in. You can be easily placed in crowded workstations or small spaces. Because of the small size, to put under you big screen TV for internet movies instead of just limited by the smart TV paid options. You can also mount a mini PC behind a computer monitor using Visa, and turn your monitor into a pseudo all-in-one, which is cool. Impressive graphics. KAMRUI Mini computer comes with Intel graphics 1.20 GHz, supports HD, 4096 by 2160, 4K at 60 GHz, 3-screen display, 2x dim VGA. Images come alive with new levels of realism, text is sharp and clear, and colors are more vibrant. You can enjoy 4K web surfing, video playback, watching TV, home theater, and enjoy the entertainment with your family.